3, 2, 1.
Heart star. Ay,
5.
love star. Love star.
Ha?
Ay, love star.
Very good.
Ito na. Bricks.
5,
Brick metal. Breakfast. Ay.
4.
Guess the foods and drinks by its clue.
Okay. Food number 1.
Food or drink?
Repeat.
Mooncake.
Wrong.
Ay,
Moon pie.
cheesecake.
Very good. Nitch.
Ay, ito na moon pie. Baligas.
Pie naman. 3, 2, 1. 5.
Ball. Meatball.
Very good.
Ay, ito meatball.
Meatball.
Kuan.
Meatball man yung gingon.
Meat.
Me 2, 9.
White chocolate.
Very good game.
Ay, ugsog. Ang ganak ko.
3, 2, 1.
Corn ice.
Wrong.
Corn ice.
Corn.
Five.
Cornflake. Cornflake.
Very good. Get Nitch. Eat.
What is corn flake?
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 9.
Do not.
Very good, Nitch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 9.
Sushi.
Wrong.
With sushi?
5,
With
4. Very good, Emil. 3, 2, 9. 5,
Kuan.
toast.
Baguette?
Four.
Style. Unsa na
Three.
kuan? French bread? Baguette.
2,
French bread. Ay,
1.
Comment down below.
The answer is
Comment your answer.
abi ko bagwit.
bagwit.
Ay, bagit.
Ready?
Bagit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 9.
Chef K.
Wrong.
Chef K.
5,
Chef K. Turkey.
wrong. 5,
Monkey. Ay,
4.
Cookie.
Huh?
Cookie.
Very good, Emil.
Cookie.
Cookie. Consider.
Cookie.
5, 4, 3, 2, 9. 5.
Cupcake.
Very good.
Ay,
Game.
Cookie.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Heart star. Ay,
5.
love star. Love star.
Ha?
Ay, love star.
Very good.
Love star. 3 points na tanan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 9. 5.
Chicken noodles.
Wrong.
Chicken noodles.
5.
Rosnell. Roll.
Very good game.
Ha? Chicken soup.
3, 2, 1. Fight.
7 up.
Very good, Emil.
Si 7 up.
7 up the drinks.
Ah, sabi ko 7-Eleven.
Yan 5, 4, 3, 2, 9. 5.
Anong sige na? Pizza.
Very good, Nitch.
Uy.
Ano na?
Tupik. Tupik.
Oh. 3, 2, 9.
Ito na. Bricks.
5,
Brick metal? Breakfast. Ay,
4,
ito na siya para brick
Three.
tuyok. Wall.
2,
Walling. Ha? Bricky.
1. Beep beep. Happy to wall.
Comment down below.
So, shout ng hello kay Eunice, Chirene, Boribor, Rachel, Gayon, Yani, Gentapa. Gintapa nga na din eh.
Kintapa na ako. Ang basa. Nana, napilip.
Yani, Hentapa, Precious Misin, Kate Leonor, Piyong Garlitos, Faith Batulan, Maxine Libado, Rian Janine Cubeng,
Queen Ignacio. Ano to?
Matugas Jermix, Janela Rossetti. So that's it. So the rest of my God bless everyone and I thank you.